Ever wondered what would happen if you spent 5 seconds on Uranus? Let's take a cosmic journey to the seventh planet from the Sun, a world of peculiarities and wonders. Uranus, named after the Greek god of the sky, is a gas giant known for its stunning blue-green hue. This unique color is the result of methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects the blue. But what truly sets Uranus apart is its unusual tilt. Most planets spin on an axis somewhat perpendicular to the plane of their orbit. But not Uranus. It's tilted on its side by a staggering 98 degrees. This means its poles, instead of its equator, face the sun, leading to some strange seasons. A single day-night cycle at the poles lasts an incredible 42 Earth years. Now, imagine if you could spend even a mere 5 seconds on this distant, mysterious world. So, you've stepped foot on Uranus. What would you experience in those 5 seconds? Well, brace yourselves, because this is no tropical vacation. In fact, it's a journey into one of the most inhospitable environments in our solar system. First things first, the temperatures on Uranus are enough to freeze you solid. We're talking about minus 320 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than any temperature ever recorded on Earth. So, your first second on Uranus would feel like stepping into the world's most ruthless freezer. And hold on tight, because Uranus is also home to some of the most powerful winds in the solar system. These winds can reach speeds up to 560 miles per hour. That's faster than the most powerful tornadoes on Earth. Imagine being swept away in a hurricane that's moving faster than a commercial jet. But what's beneath your feet? Well, nothing solid, that's for sure. Uranus, like Jupiter and Saturn, is a gas giant, meaning it doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. Instead, it's made up of swirling gases and liquids. You'd literally be falling into a deep, cold abyss. Now let's talk about the atmosphere. Uranus's atmosphere is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, with a hint of methane. The methane in Uranus's atmosphere absorbs red light, giving the planet its iconic blue-green color. But don't be fooled by its beauty. This is not air you can breathe. The high concentration of helium might make your voice hilariously high-pitched, but the lack of oxygen would certainly be a damper on the fun. So, to sum it up, your 5-second adventure on Uranus would be a chilly, windy and breathless freefall through a gas giant. But wait, it doesn't stop there. Did you know it rains diamonds on Uranus? Yes, you heard it right, it literally rains diamonds on Uranus. Now before you start planning an interplanetary heist, let's take a deeper look at how this celestial phenomena actually takes place. Uranus, along with its sister planet Neptune, is home to seas of liquid methane. This is not your usual sea, mind you. We're talking about an ocean of frozen and liquid hydrocarbons deep within the planet's atmosphere. So where do the diamonds come in? Well, the story starts with the methane. As you plunge deeper into the atmosphere of Uranus, the pressure and temperature steadily rise. Under these extreme conditions, methane, which is essentially made of carbon and hydrogen, undergoes a remarkable transformation. The intense pressure and heat strip away the hydrogen atoms, leaving behind pure carbon. Now, carbon under extreme pressure and temperature has a tendency to arrange itself into a crystalline structure. And voila, that's where our diamonds come from. These aren't your typical Earth diamonds though, they're much smaller, akin to the size of a grain of sand. But wait, there's more. The story doesn't end with the formation of these diamond grains. The diamonds, due to their density, start to sink through the layers of methane and helium, falling towards the planet's core. Over time, these diamond grains may accumulate and compact together due to the immense pressure, forming larger structures and possibly creating a diamond sea. If you're picturing a sparkling, glittering sea of diamonds, hold your horses. It's more likely a hot, dense sludge of compacted diamond, not exactly the stuff of jewelry dreams. But still, the concept of it is undeniably fascinating. So, in those 5 seconds you might get a glimpse of a diamond shower. But there's something else you should know about Uranus. It smells. Brace yourself, Uranus smells like rotten eggs. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, the seventh planet from our sun has a rather unique odor. This is due to the presence of hydrogen sulfide in its upper atmosphere. This compound is what gives Uranus its characteristic smell, eerily similar to that of rotten eggs. Now you might be wondering, what would happen if I were to take a whiff of this? Well, the reality is, you wouldn't be able to smell anything at all, and that's because Uranus's atmosphere lacks breathable air, and the temperatures are extremely cold, so your olfactory senses would be out of commission. Not to mention the high concentration of hydrogen sulfide would be toxic to humans, causing a whole host of other problems. But don't let this deter you from the fascination of space exploration. After all, it's not every day you come across a planet that smells like breakfast gone bad. So, a 5-second visit to Uranus would be quite the adventure, wouldn't it? So what do you think? Would you dare to spend 5 seconds on Uranus? We've journeyed through the gaseous layers of this distant icy giant, braving the harsh environment. We've marveled at the diamond rain, a phenomenon so alien to our earthly experiences, yet a reality on Uranus. And let's not forget the distinctive, less-than-pleasant odor, courtesy of the high levels of hydrogen sulfide. Uranus, with its extreme weather and unusual properties, truly is a testament to the diversity and wonder of our universe. It's a world that challenges our understanding and expands our imaginations. So ponder on this for a while. What else might be out there? What other extraordinary realities are waiting to be discovered? Share your thoughts, your questions, your curiosities. We're all explorers here, journeying together through the cosmos. Don't forget to subscribe to CNN World for more fascinating explorations into our universe. Until next time, keep wondering, keep exploring.